Hi, friends, and welcome back. So, I am going to teach you today how to do this outline on your graphics. It's in Canva. It takes 2 seconds and it gives you a little bit of dimension and it just sets your graphics apart. So, you'll see this a lot on YouTube. You'll see it on Instagram, all over. So, let's dive in. I'm going to redo this photo here. So, this is actually just a screen grab from a video that I just recorded. And so all I'm going to do is come up here and hit background remover, and it's going to take that background away. I will say this is a good time to pause and make sure that there's nothing on this that you would like to get rid of. Let's say that there's a random circle right here that will be outlined too. So I like to come in and just go to erase and then take out anything that I would like to, like maybe a little bit of hair, but this one looks pretty good. If you ever need to restore anything, you can do that as well. So I do that first before moving over to the next step. And then I'm going to go over to edit. And this is where I think people don't know what to do because it's just a shadow. Let me move me over a little bit. Is this just shadow option right here? And then I'm going to go to outline and see how I outlined it. I usually do white unless it is, a white background or something like that. So I'm going to change it to white. And then you can go to your size and make it as thick or thin as you would like. And then you can also turn down the intensity as well. Let's say that you had two graphics that are the same size and you want to make sure that they match. You would just look at that number and say, all right, that's 28, that's 26. Let's change it to match. And that's just how you can make things consistent. Let me move this one back down. Same thing for if you are doing graphics. So I'll show you that right now. Let me move this back. Let's say that you're going to elements. I'm going to type in question mark to find that one that I just did. And now I have the graphic on here and the exact same thing. You are going to just go to edit. And this is where you can find all of the effects. I'm going to go to shadow, outline, change it to white, and then make that 26. It doesn't make a huge difference, but it matches in my brain. And then that's ready to go. So now I'm going to take this, and I love covering up anything that is cropped off. Like I want to look like I'm just like sliding into the frame. So I don't like any like cropped arms, cropped shoulders, anything. Like I want it to look like it's going off the screen completely. And so that's what it does here. And that is it. Super easy, but makes a huge difference. So I hope this helped.